Alright, we are here at the Hilton Buena Vista Palace with Riley here.
Hey.
Which one do you want to ride first? High rise or low rise?
I think the high rise.
Alright, we'll do these. Yeah, this is high rise right here.
Is this the after or the... I think... Oh no, these are the original also.
Yeah, all of them. Well, they aren't... This place was actually built in 1983, so this is actually a mod, but it was probably done at in the 90s or the 2000s.
EPCO Inchline, California.
We got this one. And they talk too. Let's go down to one.
EPCO OIP.
I think they actually could be WGH, but I'm not sure. Here we go.
This one doesn't click.
Oh, there's a Schindler logo there. Oh, yes, yes. The one on that side's touch sensitive.
I know. You can tell it's a little pushed in.
Yeah, you can see that. You
Yep,
want to go up?
Yep.
What floor?
21.
21, and here we go.
Level.
There we go.
We like better Otis elevators or Miami elevators?
What?
Otis or Miami?
Otis.
Otis?
Miami is Dover here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm interested in elevators. I'm guessing you probably figured it out. Just looking at what we're doing.
Nothing wrong with that, man.
Well, have a very nice day,
You
sir.
take care, guys.
GAL interlock. That's not
Yep.
original.
Yeah. I'm not sure what these were originally. I'm judging by the outside keyholes. I'm gonna assume these are Montgomery, but there's actually an original Dover in the convention center.
Cool.
So,
/ Miami because we're in Florida.
yeah. Here on 27. Watch, see any leveling?
You thought the Rosen Center are the only ones to have these, but...
Yeah, they're very similar to the original elevators at the Rosen Center.
But these are higher.
These go way higher, and not only that, but they're totally original.
Nice cabs, obviously redone.
Yeah, they were redone. There's Riley there.
Is Julian?
They're very nice, for sure.
RT call cancel made by Adams.
Yep. It's your indicator. Here on the express zone right now. Here's your fixtures. We'll take one more ride on this one. If you want to get out the top, we'll get a view.
Okay.
Here on one. Any leveling? No. Watch this. This button's touch sensitive.
This one isn't. Like,
And so is 18 as well on this side.
you can even see the dark halo.
Oh.
Dark.
There we go. Here we go.
You can see the difference between the touch and non because due to these.
Yeah, like the touch ones are pushed in a bit, but the ones that aren't.
Yeah, they're darker. And it's got those round, dirty marks on it.
Very smooth and quiet.
I know.
Kind of see the floors go by a bit if you look closely. Here on 27.
Are these gonna get modded soon too?
I hope not. I mean, it would be really stupid of them to mod them. They aren't really that old, and they just redid the cabs on them relatively recently. Anyways, we'll watch it go. There's the other elevators. Do you want to get a view out, or?
Sure.
There's actually also a wheelchair lift over there, but I highly doubt it works.
Yeah.
But who cares about those? Those things suck anyways.
That's facts.
Yeah. Hopefully I can get this thing to focus, but here's a view of you can't really get a view out because it's
Rainy.
yeah, it's really rainy. I mean, I guess you might be able to, but yeah, it's really foggy and rainy out, kind of, or at least it's showing up foggy on my camera. Here's the wheelchair lift, which I doubt it works, but I'll push the buttons on it.
Yeah, doesn't work.
Yeah, it's shut. Alright, well, we'll just ride these elevators.
Open.
Oh, it is. Huh. you want to ride it up?
Nah, I'm okay.
Mm.
I don't like these. Like.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we could if you want to.
Okay.
All right, just shut the door. Make sure it is shut. Maybe it will, maybe it won't work. Let's see. Oh, and here it goes. Wow, that was cool.
I know.
And you actually have a seat in this thing. That's interesting.
It's definitely hydraulic.
It's actually screw drive electric, actually.
Because like the sunroofer is hydraulic.
See, that's your coal station, and that's the inside of it. Okay, we'll call it back down. Like that button.
It's just like that smart park
Mm-hmm.
in Portland.
And I filmed it the perfect location.
Schindler 700 A's.
And we'll end on 3, I guess.
Yeah.
See, on this side, 20 is touch, see?
Uh-huh.
So is 18 and 21.
Yep. This one's falling apart.
The door closes?
Yeah.
It's stopping because I pushed one of the buttons that was touch sensitive.
You see 27, 21, 11.
20? You look, hey, guess what? Look, 20, 20.
Oh yeah, you see
Get
that
it?
video.
Because it's a brand new year.
Yep. Like 2020, I can get in the full frame.
Yeah.
Welcome to decade 20.
Yeah, I know. I can't believe it. All right, here we go.
Double 20. The Greenway Plaza 24.
Yeah.
That was the moment you've been waiting for.
I'm
That's
curious,
weird.
did you ever upload your video of the Rosen Center?
I don't think so. Yeah, maybe when I get home.
Okay. Because I don't recall ever seeing it.
Yeah.
Anyways, here we are in 3. Just look at your buttons. You're on 3.
Uh-huh.
And anyways, there it goes. Try to show it. There we go.
That's it.
That's gonna be it. Do you want to ride the other bank or no?
Nah, I'm not gonna.
Okay, that's it.